Salaam everyone, welcome to the series where we try to learn how to understand the Quran in a quick way where we don't delve too deep into the Arabic language. If you are new to this channel, I do suggest you watch at least up to lesson 5 as that will give you the basics and then you can join from the current video. There will be 2 new videos a week, so make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with these lessons. You will be surprised at how well my students can understand the meaning of the Quran, alhamdulillah, after just a few months of doing this only twice a week, and I'm sure you will be able to as well, regardless of what your background is or what language you speak. So if that sounds like something you want to do, please keep watching and do subscribe because consistency is key at this point. So it would really help you to do these videos as they come out. So please keep watching. Salam. Yeah, 64. Let's repeat 63 because it follows on from that.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay. Bal قلوبهم. Indeed, their hearts في غمرة. I think we had this verse, and I think غمرة, wasn't it like confusion or something? غمرة من هذا. Sorry?
We're repeating it because it links to the next one. So it would mean.
Okay, yes. Come on. So, indeed, their hearts are in confusion from min هذا, this, ولهم, and for them, right? أعمال من دون is deeds from duties, except, right? ذلك, except this. هم لها عاملون. They for لها عاملون. أعمال. So it's like their confusion because of their deeds? Is that how I should understand it?
No, so basically, their hearts are in confusion because of this, min hada, like
yes,
referring to the Quran. وَلَهُمْ أَعْمَالٌ, and for them are deeds, min duni dhalik, apart from this. Hum laha,
from this. Okay.
that they are.
Okay, then it's
Okay, Awa, your turn.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم حتى إذا أخذنا مترفيهم بالعذاب إذا هم يجعرون حتى إذا until we أخذنا seize or like take them actually no, until we take مترفيهم we take their elite or like the like yeah بالعذاب with the punishment إذا هم when they are يجأرون.
I don't think we've covered Yaj'alun before, but so cool, mashallah, this is lesson 10.
okay.
So Mutrafihim, did you remember, because we've done it before in like Tarf Atrafnahum, remember? Atrafnahum was like who we spoiled.
What they have?
Yeah, who we spoiled with luxury in this world. So here Mutrafihim is their spoiled people, I guess you could say, or like people living in luxury, etc. So you were very right in translating it as like the elite people. And so yaj'arun, it means crying for help. Yaj'arun. I'm trying to think if there's an easier version that we've come across in the Quran before. يجأرون. Don't think so. So 65?
لا تجأروا يوم إنكم منا لا تنصرون. Accept or no, like crying for the day. They
اليوم.
don't cry for the day. They don't
Don't
cry.
this day, today. اليوم, today.
اليوم. Oh, so اليوم doesn't mean the day. اليوم.
It means today. So يوم means day. I guess اليوم could also mean يوم. No, يوم means like if it's only يوم, then it means like
a day, right?
day, a day, or that day, etc. But اليوم means today. اليوم.
Okay, I didn't know. Okay. Okay, so تجأرون. Yeah, so like they don't لا تجأرون اليوم.
I think it's just
تجأرون اليوم. Don't
تجأرون.
like don't. Sorry.
Oh no, I was saying I think it's just تجأرون, not لا تجأرون, right?
Yeah, لا تجأروا اليوم. So it's the
Oh,
same
okay. So, yeah.
the verse before.
Yeah, exactly. It's just like don't cry today.
Yeah, or yeah, don't cry for help.
Oh yeah, don't cry for help today. Yes, that's true. إنكم, indeed for you, منا لا تنصرون. Indeed you from our, right?
Confused. So innakum minna. So verily you minna,
Yeah,
us, la tunsarun. Not
from us. Okay, tamam. Not sorry.
not helped. So tunsarun is from nasr.
Nasara, yes. Okay,
So
tamam.
tunsarun, and it's like the ta tells you that it's you plural. You know, un tells you plural. So and nasr is help. So minna is a combination of min and na, which was us, and min
Yeah.
from us.
From
So
us, tamam.
minna la tunsarun means you will not be helped from us. Al-yawm, today, you know.
Okay.
Awa, your turn.
قد كانت آياتي تتلى عليكم
عليكم.
ثم على أعقابكم تنكصون. قد كانت آياتي. قد is sort of like emphasis, but also something in the past. كانت is also in the past. كانت آياتي. So our ayati is my ayah, my signs were. Okay, so certainly, or indeed, verily, or whatever the word for that is, my signs were recited alaykum, like onto you or to you. فكنتم, so you were على أعقابكم. عقاب, is that like hills?
Yeah.
على أعقابكم. Is it sort of like, yeah, because if they're saying on their heels, so they're probably turning away.
Yeah, on their heels, exactly.
Thank you soon. Nakasa. Nakasa. Is there a thing that says nakasa? Thank you soon.
Means turn. So nakasa also means sort of turn away in distance.
Yeah.
So ayati is used for both revelations as well as signs. So here you can see that because it says my verses were recited onto you. So this here it means verses. Ayati. Tutla. So did you get this bit around that tutla means recited?
Yeah.
From yutla, right? And utlu, utlu al-Qur'an or something like that. Read the Quran, read, recite.
Yeah.
Good. And aqabikum, did you know this?
Aqabikum.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Aqabikum is your heels, like aqabikum. It's also, you will also see aqaba in the Quran quite a lot. So it means heels, and usually this is only in terms of used in the context of turning away, because like turn away on your heels, and then tankisun or nakasa, which also the whole phrase means turning back on your heels. So
Okay.
You'll see this a lot. So I just remember the phrase as basically.
So it's like mu'ridun, like mu'ridun is also those who turn away, right?
Very good. Let me write this down. Mashallah, you guys are like building a really good vocabulary now.
I'm so happy. I really see the difference from like now, like between now and then. It's like, yeah, alhamdulillah.
I totally see a difference as well.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, 67. Right, so that's it for this lesson. Keep revising, stay subscribed, keep watching these videos regularly, and you will get there inshallah. And as always, please leave me feedback on how you're finding these videos and if you'd like me to do anything differently. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.